Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from Skrill to bank account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start our video. So for the first thing that you have to do is, for the matter, you're simply gonna go ahead and access your particular Skrill bank app, bank app that you have installed and got signed into. Once you have accessed your app, you're gonna find this kind of options, options below, and then if you would like to send your transfer money to any of the bank account, you're going to tap on this send option just given beside the crypto below. Once you have tapped on the particular send option, this kind of other interface gonna pop up, which includes in the balance section called with the balance, the Skrill to Skrill or international money transfer. Since we would like to transfer to another bank account, we're going to tap on this international money transfer as I've highlighted over here as well. Then you're going to go ahead, you're going to find another kind of interface which gonna simply show you at the currency with the current country, and then you're gonna find at the fee, total pay. Now here in this below section, you can deliver to bank account. You're gonna tap on this bank account and tap on this continue afterwards. If it's to send to yourself, you're gonna tap on send to myself. If it's to somebody else, you can tap on at the existing recipients and add their information below. And here in this section, another summary that you will get, which includes the information regarding transfer. You can see transfer details, and yeah, below do you have a promo code. If you do, add in the information. If you do not, simply add in the recipient's details and tap on this continue. Then afterwards, you can see pay with card, how you would like to pay. Now go ahead, choose the payment method. Once you have added, tap on this continue again afterwards. And there you go, finally we have succeeded. Now you can see this payment successful, and go to dashboard, view transfer details. If you would like to, you can see view transfer details as well, or go to dashboard and you are done. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.